I worked in Chennai for 4 years. Many of my friends who are in Kuwait said, you do the Oracle certification, it has got good scope, not only in Kuwait, in all the Gulf countries. So I went to some financial institution where they teach this, and they guided me to a different place. So I studied Oracle there in professional institution and finished my certification. But it was only at a theoretical level. No practical knowledge, nothing. So when I went to interview, they asked a simple thing. We are giving you a real-time database. The database is not a simple thing. It's like bank ATMs, everything is connected through this database. We are giving you a real-time database. You may have good theoretical knowledge. You can face any scenario. In case, because of your inexperience, if something happens, what you will do? So we are sorry, we need someone who is experienced. At least 4 years. I searched and searched and searched. No, nothing. I was not able to do anything. But there was another guy in my class. He stayed in a different place. He got another good opportunity. He was also theoretically good. But the good thing he got is, he got some friends who are working in real time as DBS. So every evening, all these people who are training and people who are working, they used to sit in a room and discuss what happened on the day, what new scenarios they faced, what is the current situation. So he got very good knowledge in practical thing also. So he got interview, he put like, I worked in 3 years or 4 years. So he got through the interview. In fact, he and I studied in the same institution. There is no difference between him and me. But he know what is happening in the company. He got placed. So I was not able to do that while I was in India. So my dad forced me to come to Kuwait. As his wish, I came here. Then I was looking for people to help me, like where to get the opportunities, where is it. So at that time I came to know of NAF. So when I came here, there was already a class going on, like 6 or 7 people. They were also doing the same thing, like teaching the theoretical thing, the database concepts, papers, everything. But in the first class itself, I could find the difference. Like Brother Yusuf was telling what scenarios he faced in his office. Like when he teach a theoretical concept, in India they said like this, you have to do like this. But here he explained, this works like this happens like this. So there is a scenario in my company, it happened like this. Data got corrupted. So by this concept, I did. So he was explaining like that. So all the people there were able to understand with real-time scenarios and with real-time example. I was able to get like, it was like having a working in real-time database. So that made the difference. What my friend got in India, I got in Kuwait. So after that, I got placed in Nasser Sports. And even though I did the certification in India itself, here I got placed because of that practical knowledge that was provided by NAF. Also another friend who finished certification here, he also got placed in a different company. I think Honda. His name is Mr. Mubarak. He did all the 4 certifications here and he also got placed. He got through. And with this practical examples and with this theoretical knowledge in a practical way, I was able to finish 10G certification. So the only difference is we got through all the classes. We did not even like feel bored. That's the right way to say. And the intention that we can get the job through this, we'll definitely get through.